How to transfer money from Steam wallet to another. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kid here, and on today's video I will show you how you can transfer money from Steam wallet to another. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. But before we start, we have to be clear that Steam does not allow direct transfer of wallet funds between the accounts, and that's because for the security and the fraud reasons. But there are some other workaround that you can use to send value to someone else. So the workaround is to buy a game as a gift. So once you are on the Steam, you have to head over to your store. And once you enter the store, you have to search for the game. Choose a game. Now click on Add to Cart. After that, during your checkout process, you have to select an option for Purchase a Gift. Then there, you'll be asked to enter the email. There, you can enter your friend's Steam username or email. Once you enter your friend's Steam username or email, they will receive the gift in their account. So this will be the safest way to send money by gifting the exact value that you want, since there is no options to directly transfer the fund in the Steam. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.